Hello and welcome to Chris Hairpire. So here is another video of me showing you how I use concealer to achieve the nude makeup lips. So I just go ahead and highlight the lid of my lips, and here is my concealer palette. So if you are not yet subscribed, please just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So I'm using this brown color to define the outer part of my lips first. So I always start from the V part. Yeah, so I always start by creating the V. So I just go ahead and define the outer part of my lips with the dark brown. That's the darkest in the concealer palette. So guys, if you all want me to make another video showing you how to achieve your brows or how I achieve these beautiful brows, let me know in the comment section. So that's the next color I'll be using at the center part, because we are going for this nude ombre lips. Yes, so we go ahead and apply that other color at the center part and blend it in. You can either blend it using a blending brush, a lip brush, or you just go ahead and rub your lips together while blending it carefully so that the colors doesn't mix together. We just want it to have that ombre shade, but not to just mix up everything together. So you go ahead and blend carefully, and you're going to achieve that beautiful look. So that's it. It's coming out, though not fully out. So I just go in with a small portion of the light or clear shade of the concealer and blend it in. So here is the final look, and I really love it. It's beautiful. So do you like it? Is this something you want to try out or you like to try out? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. For me, it's a thumbs up. So if you love this, please guys, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Turn on the notification. Let me know if you want to see me do a brow video. So I'll just go ahead and apply this lip gloss. Let's see how glossy this concealer lipstick can be. Yes, so you can also apply lip gloss like I did here, but guys, truth be told, this concealer, using concealer as lipstick, it's not durable. It's not very durable as lipstick itself. So this is just for few hours, and when I go ahead and apply lip gloss to it, it makes it to I don't know, to separate, something like that. It doesn't really separate like you see it. You need to be some kind of professional to be able to identify it, but it's glossy, it's beautiful, but there is that birds there, so it's not really all that professional. So if you are looking for something or you need something to go with throughout the day, then concealer as lipstick is a no, because it cannot carry you throughout the day. So you just better go for lipstick. But if it's just something for some hours, then you can use concealer as lipstick. So guys, here is the second look, and hey, if you've watched this far and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. There are a lot of beautiful videos on my channel. If you have not yet watched them, please go check them out. I have beautiful and outstanding content on my channel, and a lot more is on the way, guys. Happy new month to you all. I love you. It's a month of growth, positive vibes. I'm so and very positive in this month, and I hope you too. See you in my next